Proper installation of an O-ring. Standard male gland. Typically, when installing an O-ring into a standard male gland, the process is pretty straightforward. Guide the O-ring along the shaft until you reach the gland to where it snaps into place. Sounds simple enough, but here's some tips on exactly what to do and not to do. If it's required for the seal to pass over threads, try to cover the threads as fully as possible. If an O-ring is slid or pushed over threads, there is potential for the rubber to be cut, rendering the seal useless. A light layer of lubrication can also aid with passing over threads. Though it may seem like the easier way to get the O-ring installed, make sure not to roll the O-ring down the shaft. Doing so will ensure that the O-ring is not installed in a spiraled state. Spiral wound O-rings can lead to premature mechanical damage and/or leakage. Once again, a light film of lubrication can assist in avoiding rolling the O-ring. Lastly, when assembling the fixture, make sure the female portion has a radius on the corners and a lead in the chamfer. This will help avoid mechanical damage to the seal upon assembly. For more information, refer to the Parker O-Ring Handbook, Mobile Inform, or visit us online at parkerorings.com.